Hi, my name is Christina. I am at the Otranto Road Library, and in today's Spanish lesson, we'll be going over clothes. Camisa is the word for shirt. Camisa. You can say camisa to anyone with whom you are talking about shirts. So one more time, the word is camisa. Camisa. And it means shirt. Pantalones, mira. Pantalones is the word for pants. You can say pantalones to anyone with whom you are talking about pants. So, for example, mis pantalones son azul. My pants are blue. And one more time, pantalones, which is pants. You can learn more Spanish words every week on Charleston County Public Library social media or on mango.com free with your library card.